Here's some training clips from Tuesday to kickstart this video. During my time in the Elite Sevens program at Sunnybank, I've been exposed to a pretty high workload. In this Tuesday session, the fields were closed due to the wet weather, but that just meant we had extra work to do in the gym.
I said Wunder, it's a food.
On Wednesday, my body was feeling awesome, even after that crazy session on Tuesday. So I decided to go have some fun, join in on the social touch and run around for a bit. Come. Aya! Nice, Kevin. It's been raining for a little while. We've been playing our social touch. We've just wrapped up and it was a good run. Only issue that I would say from today, my hamstring is starting to cry out for help. I believe it's from all the sidestepping, because I don't do that stuff until this year, until playing sevens. A very agile sport. Byron Bay tournament in 2 days, Thursday, Friday, 3 days, Saturday. Today's Wednesday. Gonna do my best to recover. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Starting our last training session as a team before Byron Bay in the gym, here's some clips of what I did. Fortunately, the AstroTurf was open this time for us to be able to get a field session in. We're on a time crunch, so I didn't actually film anything though. Just finished my shower and checking out to see if there's any food left.
Oh yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Lucky. One final day before Byron Bay. Body was a bit sore, so had to dedicate the whole day towards recovery. This is exactly what I needed just before a sevens competition. I came here more so for the hot pool, but this is a bonus, man. I'm gonna sit in these boots for about an hour and then I'll hit the pool. Trying my best to wind down right now. That little recovery session at P3 was really good. I just stayed in the hot pool, not just because I didn't want to be in the cold, but heat therapy for my tendon, my hamstring tendon, is what my physio recommended in order to try and get it as ready as possible for tomorrow. I'm trying to wind down. The hot pools has helped a lot to make me feel tired. If you're someone who always sleeps at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. or even 9 p.m. If that's you, mate, how do you do it? I feel like you have to end your day at like 5 p.m. and then get ready for bed straight away, or maybe even earlier. And I just can't do that, man. Or at least that's just not how my routine is right now. Tomorrow morning, gotta wake up at 3 a.m. Get to the club before 4:30 because that's when the bus leaves to Byron Bay. Almost home now, so I'm gonna get ready for bed ASAP. Just need to get some food and then sleep. That's the plan. Anyway, see you in the morning. We ready? Hey, 4:30. We left the club on the bus, and it was gonna take us just under 2 hours to get to Byron Bay. I am going to make a separate video for the Byron Bay tournament, and so thank you for watching this one. Stay tuned for the next one.